Hi, I'm Shane from Shane Smith Law. In pain, call Shane. One of the questions I wanted to talk about today is one of the things we discuss with our clients. And we talk to our clients about the fact that anytime you're talking about your injuries, you just want to be matter of fact. You want to tell the truth, and you want to say what your injuries are, and you want to talk about what the impact on you is and what that is. Basically, and also rank it on a scale of 1 to 10. Where are you at on that pain scale? But sometimes people have a tendency, or people are thinking maybe they should overstate their injuries. Maybe they should exaggerate a little bit. And the reason is so the doctor would take them seriously. I'm here to tell you, don't do that. Don't ever do it. Don't overstate anything. Don't exaggerate anything. All that does is make you look bad, or your injuries are going to be inconsistent with the treatment that occurs, or the defense attorney is going to attack you on it, or it's going to look like you're faking and malingering. Overstating your injury or making something, talking about something that's not really there, or making it worse is going to undercut your credibility, and it can very easily ruin a case. Never overstate your injuries. Also, it confuses the doctors because they're going to be recommending one thing, and they're going to be looking at an MRI, or they're going to be looking at your injuries, and they're going to expect one set of things, and you're going to be saying something else. So it's not going to match. It's going to confuse them. It's going to be hard for them to actually treat you well. And to an adjuster or a juror, or even to your own attorneys, by overstating your injuries and exaggerating, it's going to undercut your credibility. And it's going to make it much harder for anyone involved to believe you. And it's going to make it almost impossible for your lawyer to do a good job and get you a fair settlement and a good settlement and get you compensated for what you deserve, because you're going to have those strikes against you, and it's going to be hard for anybody to believe you. So don't ever exaggerate or overstate your injuries. Just tell the truth. However, also don't minimize your injuries and make it like, it's not really there. If you're hurt, talk about it. If you can't do things, talk about it. If you're trying to do things to minimize the impact on you, like taking Tylenol or Motrin or rest, or you're not doing your sports, talk about that. Just tell the truth. Focus on what did occur. Don't ever overstate or exaggerate your injuries. Once again, Shane from Shane Smith Law. If you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
980-999-9999. 980-999-9999. Shane Smith Law. In pain, call Shane.